Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the top-rated and best-selling products across various categories. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we delve into a specialized and vital market segment, heavy-duty oils and fluids. In today's session, we're counting down the best-selling heavy-duty oils and fluids products on Amazon. Whether you're maintaining heavy machinery, working on your truck, or simply interested in keeping your vehicle in top shape, this countdown will highlight the products that consumers trust the most. Without further ado, let's dive into the top contenders that are making waves in the heavy-duty oils and fluids category. Sit back, relax, and let's explore the best of the best. And now we're at number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling heavy-duty oils and fluids on Amazon. Presenting the WD-40 Specialist Machine and Engine Degreaser Foaming Spray, 18 ounces. Imagine a product so potent it effortlessly annihilates oil, dirt, grime, and grease. Picture it now. A powerful degreaser, designed to cleanse machinery and engines with unparalleled efficiency. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a revolution in a can. The magic lies in its low-residue, water-based foaming formula. It doesn't just touch the surface, it penetrates, delving deep into every crevice and corner, leaving no trace of filth behind. It's not just clean, it's pristine. Where can you use this miracle worker? The list is extensive. Auto and truck engines, industrial machinery, farm equipment. You name it, it cleans it. It's versatile, adaptable, and incredibly effective. But there's more. The innovative nozzle sprays up to 5 feet, allowing for long-distance application with ease. And when you need precision, the included straw creates a controlled, focused stream. Whether you're dealing with broad surfaces or intricate parts, this spray sticks exactly where you need it. In independent laboratory tests, WD-40 Specialist Machine and Engine Degreaser Foaming Spray didn't just compete. It outperformed the leading competitors. It's not just the best in its category, it's a game changer. So if you're looking to elevate your cleaning routine with a product that delivers power, precision, and unparalleled performance, look no further. The WD-40 Specialist Machine and Engine Degreaser Foaming Spray is your go-to solution for a spotless, efficient clean. Coming in at number 4 in our top 5 best-selling heavy-duty oils and fluids on Amazon, we have a powerhouse duo. The Gunk Feb 1 Foamy Engine Brite Engine Cleaner, 17 ounces, 2-pack. Visualize this, an engine cleaner so effective it obliterates grease, dirt, and grime without a single scrub. Yes, you heard that right, no scrubbing required. This isn't just an engine cleaner, it's a marvel of modern engineering. Safety is paramount, and Gunk Feb 1 understands that. It's formulated to be safe on all engine components, ensuring every part of your engine, no matter how delicate, is treated with the utmost care. Your engine gets the deep clean it deserves without any risk of damage. The magic doesn't stop there. Once applied, rinsing clean is a breeze. Just water. No residue, no lingering grime. Just pure, spotless components ready to perform at their best. So for those who demand excellence, efficiency, and ease in their engine maintenance, the Gunk Feb 1 Foamy Engine Brite Engine Cleaner, 17 ounces. 2-pack is your ultimate ally. Experience the brilliance of effortless cleaning and see why it earns its spot as one of the best on Amazon. At number 3 in our top 5 best-selling heavy-duty oils and fluids on Amazon, we have a game changer for your windshield, the Louisx Glass Cleaning Board. This isn't just a product, it's a revolution for your visibility and clarity on the road. Imagine driving through a torrential downpour. The rain beats down, but your windshield stays crystal clear. How? With the Louisx Glass Cleaning Board, your windshield becomes highly water-resistant. It's not just clear, it's clearer. This innovative glass coating ensures an unobstructed view, transforming rainy drives into smooth, safe journeys. But wait, there's more. The hydrophobic formula is designed to repel water, creating a barrier that makes droplets slide off effortlessly. This hydrophobic effect means rain doesn't just roll off, it's practically chased away, ensuring your visibility remains at its peak in the worst of weather. Versatility is key here. This coating isn't just for windshields. Use it on auto glass, windows, mirrors, even shower doors. Wherever water threatens to obscure your view, Louisx steps in, providing clarity and extreme visibility. Ease of use? Absolutely. The built-in applicator allows you to cover the entire windshield in mere minutes. Simple, fast, effective. Suitable for all types of glass surfaces. Automotive windshields, car windows, mirrors, and more. Louisx is your go-to solution for a clearer view. Experience the transformation. Elevate your driving safety and comfort with the Louisx Glass Cleaning Board. It's not just about visibility. It's about seeing the road ahead with unmatched clarity. That's why it stands proudly at number 3 on our list. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling heavy-duty oils and fluids on Amazon? Well, don't let your engine stall. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon to keep your motor running smoothly and never miss out on the best products. Securing the number 2 spot in our top 5 best-selling heavy-duty oils and fluids on Amazon is a true powerhouse in the fight against grime. The Fast Orange 22340 Grease-X Mechanics Laundry Detergent. Designed specifically for those stubborn automotive stains and odors, this product is a game-changer for anyone who gets their hands dirty. Picture this. You've been working on your car, grease and oil smeared all over your clothes. Regular detergents just don't cut it. Enter Fast Orange Grease-X. This isn't just any detergent, it's a specialized formula that targets and removes even the toughest automotive stains and soils. But it doesn't stop there. Imagine eliminating the foul odors of fuel, oil, and exhaust that cling to your garments. Fast Orange doesn't mask these smells. It eradicates them, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Application is a breeze. For those particularly stubborn stains, just pour a small amount of detergent directly onto the area and let it work its magic. No scrubbing, no hassle, just results. And here's the kicker. Not only does it clean your clothes, but it also keeps your washer free from grease and oil buildup. It's a double-duty miracle worker. Cost-effective? Absolutely. With each load costing less than 40 cents, you're getting top-tier cleaning power without breaking the bank. For mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone dealing with tough stains and odors, Fast Orange 22340 Grease-X Mechanics Laundry Detergent is the ultimate solution. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and lingering odors. With Fast Orange, your clothes and washer stay clean, fresh, and ready for whatever comes next. That's why it's earned its place at number 2 on our list. And now, we arrive at the pinnacle of our countdown, the number 1 best-selling heavy-duty oil and fluid on Amazon. Drumroll, please. Introducing the Chemical Guys CLD_201_16 Signature Series Orange Degreaser. Let's talk about power. Pure, unadulterated cleaning power. This isn't your average cleaner. This is a professional-strength citrus degreaser designed to obliterate the toughest dirt, grime, and grease. Concentrated for unparalleled cleaning power, it's the kind of product that turns a daunting task into a breeze. Versatility? Oh, it's got that in spades. The Signature Series Orange Degreaser is a master of all trades. Blended with potent citrus extracts and hypersurfactants, it effortlessly slices through and separates grease and oil from any surface. Cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, you name it, this degreaser can handle it. But wait, there's more. This degreaser comes super concentrated. That means it ships at full strength without any added water to dilute its potency. You're in control. Tailor your cleaning solution to tackle whatever messes you're up against. Whether it's a light clean or a heavy-duty degreasing job, you've got the flexibility to make it work. Imagine removing years of built-up grime. Motor oil, coolant, hydraulic fluid, diesel fuel, gone. Caked on mud, grease, road grime, history. From engines to wheels, suspension components to undercarriage parts, this specialty formula wipes them clean. The uses are endless, and the results are spectacular. Why do both beginners and professionals swear by Chemical Guys? It's not just the top-notch products. It's the world-class customer support, the wealth of detailing knowledge, the sense of community. Chemical Guys is more than a brand, it's a lifestyle, a worldwide movement of car care enthusiasts dedicated to excellence. So, if you're looking for the ultimate solution to keep your vehicle in pristine condition, the Chemical Guys Signature Series Orange Degreaser is your go-to product. It's powerful, versatile, and trusted by a global community. That's why it stands proudly at number 1 on our list. Experience the Chemical Guys difference today. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling heavy-duty oils and fluids on Amazon. To stay up to date with the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.